Here we are going to discuss this question on coordinate geometry, number 8. It says this question refers to the following graph. So here you can see a diagram, and you've got the x-axis, and you've got the y-axis, and you've got a line. And this line seems to have a positive gradient because it is going up. As you can see, you start here, and you go from left to right horizontally, because the x always increasing from the left to right towards the right, and you stop here. To meet the graph, you've got to go up. So this has a positive gradient. Now let us see what is the positive gradient. What's the value? So if you go 2 units, just a minute. Right, if you go 2 units horizontally, you've got to go 1 unit upwards. So 1/2, because the y variation will always be on the numerator. So this has a gradient of 1/2. Okay. This y variation is 1, y2 minus y1, that'll be 1. But the x variation is 2, 1/2. So that has a gradient of 1/2. So you see, what is the midpoint of the line shown in the graph? The midpoint is the point in the middle. So what you need to do is to estimate the point, the middle point there, but it looks like it is here. And to verify, if it's here, let's count how many units we've got to go to meet it horizontally. So we've got to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, to meet it here. Now let's see how many units we've got to go to complete. If we go to get 8 again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So therefore now this is the midpoint right here. And the x coordinate is 4, the y coordinate is -1. So the midpoint is 4, -1. Let's move on to the y-intercept. So it says, what is a y-intercept? The y-intercept is where this line touches the y-axis. This line touches this y-axis at -3, y equal -3. And on the y-axis, x is 0, as you can see. See, 2, 1, 0 for x. So the y now is -3. So the y-intercept is 0, -0 on the x, -3 on the y. The y-intercept is -3. What is the x-intercept? So that's where the line touches the x-axis. It touches the x-axis right here. Okay, x is 6 and y is 0 on the x-axis. So this point is 6, 0. So the x-intercept is 6, 0. What is the gradient? Well, we say the gradient is already 1/2. Okay. For example, look, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's 4/8. 4/8 is 1/2. So the gradient is 4/8, or you can put it as 1/2. And here it is, 1/2. The equation of the line shown in the graph. The equation is y is equal to mx plus c. You said m is 1/2. So that's y is equal to a half x plus c. C is the y-intercept. The y-intercept is -3. So plus -3, or you can just put half x minus 3. Oh, by the way, m is the letter for gradient. So the m is equal to a half. And the equation is y is equal to a half x minus 3. So you don't have to put the plus minus. You can just put minus 3. Let's just write this. Let us subtract sign. Yes.